In lithium-ion megafactories, ambient moisture is the ultimate enemy. Highly reactive materials like lithium salt and electrolytes react violently with airborne water, producing hazardous hydrofluoric acid and destroying cell performance. To maintain ultra-low dew points, often negative 40 degrees Celsius to negative 60 degrees Celsius PDP, inside dry rooms, specialized desiccant system design is essential. 1. Desiccant rotor technology. Standard DX refrigeration cooling can only cool air down to dew points around plus 4 degrees Celsius before coil frosting occurs. Desiccant dehumidifiers utilize continuous honeycomb rotors coated with silica gel or molecular sieves. These rotors continuously absorb moisture from incoming process air and reactivate via a heated reactivation airstream, often 120 degrees Celsius to 140 degrees Celsius. 2. Multi-stage HVAC architecture. To achieve ultra-low relative humidity efficiently, system engineers utilize multi-stage configurations. Pre-cooling. Chilled water coils lower incoming ambient air temperature to condense out bulk moisture. Primary dehumidification. High-capacity desiccant wheels absorb the remaining vapor. Post-cooling and HEPA filtration. Heat generated during absorption is removed by sensible cooling coils before ultra-clean dry air enters through sealing plenums. 3. Purge air strategies and energy recovery. To drive operating costs down, advanced systems employ internal purge sectors. Closed-loop purge air transfers sensible heat from the reactivation sector back into the process airstream, drastically reducing overall heater load while driving moisture output lower. 4. Positive room pressurization. Controlling moisture in megafactories requires strict air tightness. Systems maintain positive static pressure, 20 to 50 pascals above surrounding spaces, to prevent ambient infiltration through doors, material pass-throughs, or minor envelope leaks. Airlock vestibules and dedicated worker air showers prevent humidity ingress during entry cycles. For specialized industrial HVAC components, dehumidification tools, and engineering solutions, visit https://bit.ly/m/HVAC for much more related products.